Hi children, welcome to all. Do you know where do we all live? We live on the planet Earth. Do you know what makes up the earth we live in? What will you see if you look at the earth from the sky? Now we are going to learn about what makes up our earth and the environment. Keywords: environment, earth, landforms, plains, mountains, hills, slopes, desert, forest, and water bodies. Our earth is made up of land, water, and air. Lands can be of different types. Water can be found in water bodies like river and ponds. A thick blanket of air surrounds the earth. We find different living things on land, in water, and in air. We see flying birds in the air, fish in the water, plants and animals on land. The land, water, air, and the living things in them are together called our environment. Mountains, hills, plains, forests, and deserts are different landforms. Mountains are high and have slopes on their sides. Hills are like mountains, but they are much lower than them. Hills are higher than plains, but lower than mountains. Plains are flat and wide lands. A desert is a dry, sandy land. Next, we are going to learn about different water bodies around us. Water is important for all living things. We find water in different types of water bodies like river, lake, pond, and ocean. The ocean is the biggest water body. The ocean has water all around it except on the side where it touches land. Sea water is salty water and we cannot drink it. A river flows across land, so it has land on both sides. Its water flows into seas, lakes, or into other rivers. A lake is surrounded by land on all sides. The river and lake can also be big, but the pond is a small water body. A river has land on two sides, and a lake and ponds are surrounded by land on all sides. Do you know where is the water come from? A mountain is a very tall, high natural place on earth. Look, there is a mountain with a lot of snow over it. This snow melts due to the heat of the sun. The water coming down on the mountain, the water from waterfall is moving towards low area and it reaches plain land and it starts flowing river. Most of the rivers go into the ocean. Next, we are going to learn about uses of land, water and air. The land, water and air around are useful to us and all living things in many ways. We live on land. We build our houses to live in. Land is also used by us to move from one place to another. We have built roads on land to move from one place to another. Land transport like car, bus, train move on it. Land animals also make their houses on land. Many plants grow on land. We get things like fruits and vegetables. We get salt from seawater. We use boats and ships to move through waterways such as seas, rivers and lakes. Many animals like fish, turtle and crabs live in water bodies. There are some plants that grow in water. Farmers need water to grow plants. We need water for our daily activities like washing, cleaning, and we also need water to drink. The sea turtle lives in water but lays eggs on land near the sea. All living things breathe air. Birds fly in the air. We can go from one place to another in aeroplanes that moves through the air. Okay students, today we learned different types of landforms on earth, different water bodies around us and uses of land, water and air for us. Okay students, do the worksheet page number 2 and 3. Thank you students.